Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing each machine. Install a container runtime like Containered or Docker, then Kubeatom, Kubelet, and Kubectl so the tools match across nodes. Once done, disable swap and enable bridged networking so Kubernetes can manage networking correctly. Make sure node clocks are synchronized with NTP. Inconsistent time breaks certificates. Initialize network settings and confirm kernel modules. Finally, pick a control plane node and run Kubeatom init to begin the cluster bootstrap sequence. You'll initialize the control plane and then bring workers in. Run Kubeatom init with a pod network sitter that matches your CNI choice. This creates the control plane certificates and API server. Once it finishes, copy the kubeconfig to your user directory so Kubectl works. Next, install your chosen CNI plugin, Calico or Flannel, because pods need a network. After that, run the Kubeatom join command on each worker, using the saved token and CA hash to securely join the cluster. You finish by validating cluster health. Run Kubectl get nodes and Kubectl get pods to confirm all system pods are running and ready. Once healthy, configure RBAC, pod security policies, and namespaces to enforce least privilege. Deploy a small test app to verify networking and DNS. Make sure to back up kubeconfig and ect. These are critical for recovery. If something fails, check kubelet logs and Kubeatom status first. One key tip: rotate or recreate expired join tokens before adding nodes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.